would actually go in would only go in for two reasons. एक ये कि उनको दुनिया से कुछ छुपाने के लिए मतलब है नहीं, and they're very confident of themselves. And maybe the second reason is to become famous overnight. I went in with, with the mindset of, I have nothing to fear and what's the big deal? मैं पूरी ज़िंदगी actress रही हूँ and I've been in front of the cameras and I have nothing to hide. Honestly, मुझे ये भी लगा था कि मैं पहले हफ्ते में निकल भी जाऊँगी, and I still lasted. I don't know how, but I feel being in the Big Brother house teaches you a lot. There are, your highs, your lows. लेकिन it's going to be a learning curve for all the participants. और इस शो के थ्रू आपको पता चलेगा कि असल में वो इंसान कैसे हैं. So I think that's why reality really works. That's why newspapers work. That's why television channels work, because people want info and more info. And magazines work. They thrive on gossip, and here you get to see it. So I think it's a great. I think other than the voyeurism bit, I think it's sick. But otherwise, I think it's a great form of entertainment at other people's cost, for sure. But no, I think you just need to maintain a calm, cool frame of mind, and you get to know exactly what each contestant is made up of through this show.